Welcome to Pragmatic CRM, powered by OpenERP. Experience the feature of Sugar and vTiger in OpenERP. It's a gateway for better management, collaborate and communicate with the partners at very ease. Moving ahead, we'll go to Marketing tab. The marketing menu will move to Campaign. You can see all campaign, my campaign, and you can create a new campaign. Over here we'll go and just click on edit, and it will open the campaign page. Campaign name, campaign type, product, start date, expected close date for a particular campaign, the basic information. Over here we'll have the budget cost, expected cost, actual cost, expected revenue, expected ROI, and actual revenue. The basic purpose behind having the ROI functionality within Pragmatic CRM is to measure the effectiveness of each campaign, and this will give you a more realistic feature of how much is being spent and how we can improve our campaigning skills in next campaign. Next tab is the More Information tab. It has a target list, and you can segment wise sorting of targets can be done on the basis of service or a manufacturing industry. When we click on this, we'll open the target list information, the name, what types like default, seed and test, and about the more information, it will have target, contact, leads and accounts. So you can see all this related information regarding the campaign in one page. Moving ahead is the Trackle URL. The basic functionality of Trackle URL is to track the responses within the campaign. For the tracker, we have a tracker name, tracker URL, and you can opt out the link. You can select the box and unsubscribe the instruction in the tracker URL. Activity tab will have creating of tasks, and you can create a new task over here. It will have an event name, the task status, whether it is in progress or whether it is completed, the task type, whether it is a task or a call, the start date, end date, and assign to. Even you can create the priority for this, whether it is a high, medium or a low. Just click save and go. Over here you can see the campaign status. Presently it is in an active state, but once you click on hold, it will move to in queue, then it moves to completed once, or you can close the campaign too. Moving forward is the lead. We'll click on lead. Over here you can see all lead, my leads and the new leads. Just click on edit. It will open up the lead form. Over here on the first section you can see all the lead information, like the name and the related information, email and the website of a particular lead. Then you can have the address information, the primary address or the other address. If you want to just auto populate the same address what is in the primary field, just check the box. It will auto populate the rest of the field in the other address. Lead source can be from a cold call or a self-generated or from public relation conference. Then over here a lead is related to a campaign, so from here you can come to know which campaign it is actually this lead is related to. You just click on save, and we'll go to now accounts. On accounts, we'll click on accounts, click on edit button again. We'll go to company info. Over here you can see the related name of the company, and then we'll go to the general information tab, where we can see the website and how is the rating of the company, the industry, and number of employees. Now this account is related to which campaign, we can see from here, and more info will give you this account is related to which lead. You can also create the sales opportunity from here. Just click on the edit button, it will open up the opportunity page, and the opportunity will be having which opportunity it is, the name of the opportunity, the close date, the sales stage, like prospecting, or is it in the quotation. So we click on quote. Based on the sales stage, we can get the probability of when the lead, what are the chances of converting this lead is. We'll move to quotes. From here we can create a quotation. We'll click on the edit button. It will open up the sales order or the quotation. It will have an order reference, the project name, which project it is related to, the customer address, invoice address. Now we'll continue with the contract form. We'll click on sales. We'll go to contract. You can see my contract and a new contract. Just click on contracts. It will open up the contract page. Now click on annual contract. It will open up the contract form. You can see contract name, start date, end date, account name, like which account it is related to, opportunity name, what's the total contract value, like 50,000 over here, what's the currency, contract customer sign date, and company sign date. We move to other information. Over here, which person this contract is assigned to, you can see it over here, and to which product it is related to, the particular contract can be seen on the lines created over here. Moreover, the contract related attachments can also be seen. There can be more than one attachment, so you can go and download the attachments by clicking on save as, and it will open up the particular contract and you can save it on your particular place. Moving ahead, we'll move to support. Click on support, go to tickets. We can raise tickets over here, so you can see all tickets, my tickets, and new ticket. You can create new tickets and you can see the available all tickets. We'll see the all tickets over here. You can, on the list view, you can edit the available tickets over here. You can see the detailed information in the ticket form, like what subject it is, like product is not working, the ticket number you can see, then the account, to which account it is related, who is the contact person who is looking after this account, product information, and the priority, like whether it is low, normal, or high, or it's very urgent. Even the severity can be fixed, like it's minor, major, or critical. What category it is, whether it's a big problem or a small problem or other type of problems. How much is the estimated hours in the initial phase, and what actual labor hours has been utilized to correct this. Who is looking after, whom this task or the ticket has been assigned to can be mentioned, and it can be escalated. If suppose the particular person cannot solve this issue, this ticket can be escalated to a higher authority, to the level 2 person who can resolve this. So this is a functionality, like it will able to show you who are the current users, and they can be escalated this ticket and they will fix up the issue. So Moving ahead is the other information wherein you can feed your description, solutions, and put your comments. Now the status, what you see over here in the initial, it will be in the draft state. Once you click on the start button, it will move to open, and then it will move to wait for response once the issue is resolved. What you can see over here, once the issue is resolved, there can be two ways it can go to. Either the ticket will be closed if the customer is satisfied, or it will be reopened. Once the ticket is reopened, it will move to open state again.